Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel BioEazy, and now I have next top 10 MCQs for NEET, and the topic is structural organization in animals. You can also join free test series for NEET Biology and link provided in description below. Before starting, please learn, like, share and subscribe my channel BioEazy and press the bell icon for fast notification. Now the question number 1 is, Wharton's jelly present in umbilical cord is an example for, and the answer is mucous connective tissue, and solution is Wharton's jelly in the umbilical cord is a mucus or mucoid connective tissue. It protects and insulates umbilical blood vessels. Next question number 2 is, which of the following cells secrete histamine? And the answer is mast cells. And solution is histamine secretes by mast cells. It increases the permeability of the capillaries to white blood cells and some proteins to allow them to engage pathogens in the infected tissues. Next question number 3 is, the myelin sheath around the axon is produced by which type of neuroglial cells? And the answer is Schwann cells. And solution is myelin sheath is formed by Schwann cells in the peripheral nervous system. This provides insulating layer, checks the leakage of charge. Next question number 4 is, mature erythrocytes cannot utilize glucose because they lack, and the answer is mitochondria. Next question number 5 is, which one of the following is the most abundant protein in the animal world? And the answer is collagen. Next question number 6 is, the matrix of bone and cartilage can be distinguished by the presence of, and the answer is Haversian canal. Next question number 7 is, the open circulatory system is found in, and the answer is D, both cockroach and snail. Next question number 8 is, the moulting hormone ecdysone belongs to the category of, and the answer is steroid. And solution is ecdysone is the major steroid hormone in the insects and plays essential role in larval moulting and metamorphosis. Next question number 9 is, which one of the following leukocytes transform into macrophages? And the answer is monocyte. Next question number 10 is, cardiac muscles are, and the answer is striated and involuntary. Thanks for watching. Please learn, like, share and subscribe my channel BioEazy and press the bell icon for fast notification. Have a nice day.